Opening your swimming pool for the season is easier than you might think. Just follow these 6 simple steps. First, check that your pool pump, vacuum, brushes, filters, and other equipment is in top shape. Replace any damaged items before starting. Clear debris off the pool cover with a brush and drain any standing water. Remove the cover, hose it down and let it dry before storing. Remove all winterizing plugs and the skim guard. If there is a skimmer plug, take that out too. Use a skimmer net to remove debris and brush the pool sides. Scoop out leaves and debris thoroughly. Replace drain plugs for the pump and filter. Confirm O-rings are in good condition. Set to filter and turn it on. Test your pool water and take it to a pool store. For accurate results, treat the water based on the analysis. Treatment may include shock, clarifier and balancing pH. Continuously clear debris, clean the skimmer basket, and balance water until all indicators reach recommended levels. With a little preparation and planning, you'll be enjoying crystal clear water in no time. Visit Christmas Central's Pool and Spa store to stock up on everything you need for your summer pool enjoyment. Happy swimming!